Fuck it.
Nope.
Dial pins in real quick. Shimmy, shimmy. What do we have it hooked on? Oh, the ring's on the floor.
Yeah, so it's that one and that one.
Boom. Let's slide it over this one.
No, I think it's the two front ones. Yeah. The bevel of like the lip of them is beveled in a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
I know it was like the two front ones or the two back ones.
Get the casket back on. Yes, that's how you do it. Oosh.
That's because it's white. We're a friendly AutoZone guide you to the right windows and make sure everything is working smoothly.
That one's in. That one's in. You just gotta.
Wish I caught that little one piece in, baby. All right.
No bullshit.
You niggas is still here?
Still here? Yeah, bro. It didn't work? Nah, the screw went in at an angle. So it didn't go straight in. So when you pulled it out and shit. And I'm like, I'm trying to get this shit.
We'll get a tire, bro.
This nigga's not wasted. You better hope so,
You better
nigga.
look at it.
You better hope so.
Built by its finest, Bugatti Boy 3000.
Well, we got two more. Let's go. Get him on.
Shit. First off the trailer, niggas getting cracked. Sending them home early. Not you. I'm a chill.
Niggas going crazy.
Another
All right,
one.
baby. Come on.
Did you go pick up the other one from the fucking... I always look for RBB2 though.
The fingers in there. It's that finger work.
The RBB1, this came out of, Fuck, what did the RBB1 come out of?
0204 TSX.
Yes.
RBB2 as well.
RBB2 came from the 07s.
Yeah.
If it's not...
I just went through all of it.
You could tell me whatever you want. Nigga.
Search it up right now.
When I go to New
Search
York
it up
and I
right
say
now.
I want an 07 TSX, they
It's
give
an
me an
RBB3.
RBB2.
RBB3.
I tell them.
RBB2.